In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your mailing list with Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to gather email addresses and other important information from your audience in a simple and efficient manner. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google Forms. You can do this by simply going to the Google Forms website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to start a new form. For our purposes, we're going to click on the blank form option. This is where we'll begin creating our custom form to collect information. Now that you have a blank form open, the next step is to give your form a title. Click on the area at the top where it says Untitled Form. You might want to name it something descriptive like newsletter sign-up or mailing list registration so it's clear to your respondents what they're signing up for. This title will not only help you stay organized, but also communicate the purpose of the form to your audience. With the title in place, it's time to add questions. Click on the area that says Untitled Question and start adding the questions you want to ask. For a mailing list, you'll likely want to start with a question asking for their email address. You can select the question type from the drop-down menu, choosing the short answer option for email addresses to keep things simple and straightforward. Once you've added the necessary questions, it's crucial to make sure they are marked as required. To do this, simply toggle the Required option on for each question. This ensures that respondents must fill out these fields before submitting the form, which is particularly important for capturing accurate and complete data. After setting up your questions, you'll want to manage how responses are collected. Click on the Responses tab at the top of the page. This section will show you all the responses you receive once you start sharing your form. To easily manage and analyze the data you collect, link your form to a Google Sheet. In the Responses tab, you'll see an icon that looks like a small green spreadsheet. Click on Link to Sheets. Google Forms will automatically create a new spreadsheet where all the responses will be stored. This makes it incredibly easy to sort, analyze, and even export your data as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google form to build your mailing list. This tool is not only effective, but also very user-friendly, allowing you to gather and manage information with ease. Remember to share your form with your audience through email, social media, or your website to start collecting responses. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!